Watch this if you want to grow a mini garden, especially if you don't have room for a traditional garden, or you just hate all the weeding, tilling, and composting that goes with it. And this all starts with microgreens. I'm going to tell you how you can get some free seeds in a minute, so listen up. I like to grow food fast. And growing microgreens is like having a new crop every week. Now you can make use of your old bowls and baking dishes, or you can do like me and hit the thrift shops. I got a bunch of them. Some were only $1. Now to grow all these microgreens, I made a lot of different adapters to fit different jars and bottles. I've been getting a lot of questions about the different ones, so let's go through them real quick. And if you need to see how to put any of these containers together so you can grow your own food, I've got plenty of videos on those. Everyone knows you gotta eat your greens, and this is a fantastic way to grow massive amounts of them over and over and over again. Let's start with our most popular adapter. It fits a mason jar, and you can grow plants just like this. Now this first adapter fits a common ball mason jar. It's quart size with a regular mouth, not the wide mouth. If you need a wide mouth one, just contact me and we'll get a special order. But a vast majority of people have these regular mouth ones. With a little bit of clay pebbles or leca, you can grow you loads of all kinds of greens. This is red cabbage. Awesome. Fix up a little slow with that. Now our next one fits a common pop bottle. Now where I'm at, they're stopping our recycling program, so I feel like it's better to use them like this instead of throwing them in the landfill. Just our way of trying to make good of a bad situation. Now our third one is cool. It's a hybrid of the two first ones. It fits either the ball mason jar or a pop bottle. So if you get a few of those, you have more choices. It's a multi-purpose self-ordering adapter. Now our next one's for the long neck bottles. These are the ones with the twist off caps. You can't screw an adapter onto it, so we made one that snaps on. That's pretty cool. Now I've used mine over and over and over again, and it still worked just fine. So if you have a lot of these bottles laying around, you can grow loads of food. Now people were asking, if I want to grow them out a little bigger into baby greens, how do I refill it? So we figured out something with the long neck bottles. A refillable adapter. Looks like this. That way when they get to this point and you want them to grow out a little further, you can remove the empty bottle, refill it. Now if you're intending to grow baby greens, you're going to need nutrients in the water. I've got other videos on that. And then you just replace it. I put my thumb over the end and just remove it, pop it back in. Easy peasy. Makes the system pretty much carefree. You have to refill the bottle once in a while, but you're not out here 2-3 times a day taking care of your microgreens. Look at those roots. Never ceases to amaze me. Now with the refillable adapters, I've also started experimenting with sand. And I'm having lots of promising results with this. One thing, you're not going to have problems with mosquitoes. There's no standing water. And the other benefit is, it's easy to clean. Fill up a bucket, dump the sand in, roots float to the top. Then they go in the compost. So experiment, have fun. Now our last adapter, we made a refillable one for the pop bottles too, since we can't recycle anymore. Works just about the same. Now this one you want to hold the top on because it's not screwed or snapped on. You just flip it over real quick. That easy. Now just put whatever medium you want in there, some seeds. You're all set. Pretty soon you're going to have some microgreens. Less than a week. So right now these adapters are in my Etsy store. I'm Mike Fanduzzi, all one word. Message me if you can't find the link. And for the next few days, whoever orders any of these, I'm going to throw in a sample of microgreen seeds. Help get you going. So you might get arugula, pak choi, or peas. If you get 3 adapters, you get 1 of each. I hope that helps. This is one of the easiest ways I found to grow microgreens and baby greens, and to do it over and over again. Look back at some of my other videos, and as we head into fall, we're going to plan out a whole bunch more of these. Because this not only makes it simple to grow, it's also easy to clean up. And if it's easy to clean, it's easy to start over. Part of the continuous harvest system. So go ahead and get started. Grow you some good food. Live to inspire. Keep on growing. And be the change. We'll catch you next time.